it's Heidi, and right before we get started off with the video, we stole Steven's kinetic sand. But, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see next. And today I have a special guest, and her name is...
No, I don't have a name.
Oh yeah, she doesn't have a name. Okay, and right now we're going to ask your dad for per cup money.
Your hot tea chocolate already.
Yes!
Okay, never mind. We're not going for a cup.
Yep. We're not going to per cup. We're getting hot chocolate. Stop.
But it's so cool. Look.
I don't want any more. Come on.
Should we hide it just in case they pass?
Yeah. Hide it.
It's hidden off.
It's definitely. Ow. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys. We're not allowed to vlog in this office. This is private property. And her dad's house. So we could get in big trouble.
Didn't see anything.
Let's
I
go
put
see.
that in the water. Give me a second of that.
Okay, he's still not in here. Should we
Should we
investigate stuff?
No, we can't. Don't show the picture.
Should we investigate stuff?
Like this dirty apple. Okay, guys, we're gonna turn some stuff around because everything's.
Yeah, turn that one around too.
Okay. These are pictures of his family.
And his secret wife.
And we can't show apple.
Sorry.
And
Hey guys, when you
because
look in there.
there's some really bad people on YouTube who want to kidnap people.
Look on here. Okay, guys, it's really funny.
He takes dancing lessons,
Yeah,
guys.
he's a boy, by the way, and he
And
takes
guys, you did
dancing
not
lessons.
write this.
And, no, we actually didn't.
Yeah, we didn't.
This isn't our handwriting. We'll show you what our handwriting looks like on here. This is mine. Oh. And then we'll show you hers compared to this stuff. Why won't it focus?
I don't know. Ask it.
Why aren't you focusing? Oh, now it's focusing. Should we do Bloody Mary again?
For what?
The video.
Why just get views?
Yes.
Okay, here's how I do mine.
Okay, these are our handwritings. That's mine handwriting, and that's her handwriting, and compared to that. And then I flipped right to the page where it says dancing lessons, so I did Y, just Y on it, because it's
Can I see it?
right there.
Dancing lesson.
And then he says, yeah? Well, we're coming to get it. Don't worry.
Hola. Mi amor. Okay. Amigo. Yeah.
You get this cup because this cup is bigger, but they're the same. I know, don't touch it. Guys, the mug is
We have
really
coffee, not hot chocolate.
Yeah, it's coffee, basically.
We were gonna go to Per Cup and get caramel frappuccinos, but
And then he also said on here, addiction is not a disease. I can't read upside down.
and then it says it's more than a disease.
Yeah. I actually wrote that part.
The disease.
The more than a disease. I'm kidding, I didn't.
Oh, this is Steven. This is Steven's diary.
Oh,
He has
yeah.
a secret life. Show the
This
page.
is, I don't know what page that is. Let me check, guys. We're looking for his secret wife, Amanda.
Yeah, where is it? Oh, yeah, there's another wife too.
Yeah, he has 2 wives.
3 wives.
Three
No, 2 girlfriends and 1 wife.
Yes.
We'll show you another one. Okay, you ready? So here's his. He says when he grows up, he wants. Sorry, this paper is little.
He wants to be a president.
And his favorite song is Lime Tree.
Should we search that song up?
He wants his new wife to be Elisa. I can't
Alyssa.
Alyssa.
And we've been searching around his office because he's been acting really. We found these. He's been acting really weird.
Oh yeah, he copied another design and put it
From-
on his
From like another place that's right next door. Sorry guys. From next door, he stole their design.
Yeah, he stole
And
their
so
design.
this is the big map of it, but
That's
this is
their-
just the tiny map. It's the
Is this
non-colored
ours or
map.
theirs?
It's theirs because we don't have all of these offices, and they do.
So then he copied the design and just added up all those,
um,
and he just added up all those rooms into
But
one.
I
big-
hearted the toilets because toilets are awesome. Right, guys? Right, toilets awesome. Oh, wait, no. Wait, did I circle the toilets on this one?
No, you circled it.
On this one?
Yeah, I think
Oh, I think so. Oh, yeah.
you hearted.
I hearted the toilets. Yeah, you guys can't really see, but let's read the rest of his diary with some coffee.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, we didn't have coffee at all today.
Yeah. We barely ever have coffee.
Oh,
coffee.
mine's not mixed in. God. Look.
Yes, that is.
Look.
Oh. And who cares? But we rarely have coffee like this type of coffee. We usually get per cup.
Yeah, we get frappuccinos.
And yeah. I want some.
Your cups looks Steven faced consequences.
Okay, no, never mind. It's going to be too hot. And right now, I'm still looking in his
ugly.
diary. And he wrote this. And look at his handwriting.
Guys.
These two aren't exactly the same. What? Okay, grab it.
Sorry, Steven.
She's just standing all over his desk. Georgie's boat.
Because S says George.
She wrote that.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. I'm shopping. Okay, guys, it's better to set you down here.
We didn't.
Okay, who cares?
Oh, God. Oh, God. Go,
Good
get
coffee.
back in there. There we go.
This is good coffee.
Can I move my coffee? Ah! Sorry, Steven.
Spilling her coffee all over.
God, now I'm pulling up my floor. Don't wait, what about this map?
Nothing's about that map, Dominique. That's just a map.
But now they know where we live.
No, they don't. I didn't even show the map. Okay, wait, guys. Go get the kinetic sand. You! I'll come with you.
You're the one who wants to get coffee.
Guys, I look really tired.
We need, like, coffee. Okay. To be
What we're
alive.
drinking right now. Hey, you have to be in the camera at least like a minute.
Sorry.
And then
It's hot.
we're going to look at his diary.
Oh, my throat burns. Okay. Guys, I'm making a video for this to be all about us.
We'll read out loud what it says in his diary, but on the Amanda page. He has 3 girlfriends. Hey, that's kind of in the way.
Wait, shouldn't we? Wait, this is Steven's personal secrets.
I know.
Is that why it's fun?
Yeah.
But what
Okay.
if he sees the video?
He's a pro drug. He's a pro drug. It says pro drug. Is he a pro drug?
Wait, this gun sensitive? Don't.
I don't.
It looks better.
Guys, he does pro drugs.
Unless he uses it. Oh, Amanda, I found it.
Oh, oh.
42 CF. God.
And we have no idea how to.
This is
And we have no idea how to turn on his computer so we can search his computer.
There's some coffee. There's actually coffee in there. This is Steven's. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, let's
Stop.
open the coffee. Show the coffee. Feels good.
This is what our coffee looks like. Okay, guys, so I'm going to try to turn on his computer.
You didn't even show it.
Right now, I'm going to try to turn on his computer. I just made her spill all over his important papers. Let me pick this up.
Yes.
Guys, that was my fault.
What? Jeez. Heidi, that was your fault. It's so stupid.
Let's just say it was Steven's fault.
Steven.
Guys, right now I'm trying to get on his computer. I'm trying to set you guys up on his other computer that he has that he never uses. Okay, so his computer is right here. And then there's another computer right here, but I'm setting you guys on it, so I'm not going to be using it. And then I know his password. So here's his keyboard. What? Oh, you cleaned it up.
Exactly. I cleaned it up.
Oh, dummy.
And that was yours.
Oh, you know, but you put it on top of there.
You don't build it all over the map. I don't know if you can see, but Heidi spilled coffee all over the map. Oh, gee.
Okay, guys.
Hit me with your chair.
Yeah, I hit her with my chair. It's not really my fault. It's the chair's fault. So let's staple some stuff.
I got it up my nose.
Let's staple some stuff to his...
Oh, my burns. I got it up my nose.
She got coffee up her nose. Let's staple stuff together.
Please, my face.
Okay, guys, I'm going to take two of these apart and staple them together because I like staples.
Oh, jeez, that smells disgusting.
Hey, guys, I'm going to...
SS Georgie. That burns. It hurts.
Guys, don't you think stapling is so satisfying? I'm kidding. It's not satisfying.
It made me laugh, so I could just drink that.
Oh, I can't staple it. We're not doing anything right now, Steven. If you're watching this.
I don't think Steven watches our channel.
Guys, I'm almost done with coffee.
This video is just gonna be really calm, kind of.
Should we go put the connects in?
Should we end this video right now?
Oh no, the tag is still on my sweatshirt.
Guys, we're gonna end the video here.
Yeah.
We're gonna end the video right here and right now. Don't forget to
Like, subscribe, and comment down below what videos you want to see next.
Goodbye.
Bye! Bloopers.
We're gonna do bloopers now to make this video. Okay. Get back. Okay, let's start. Okay, let's roll the clips. I can't. Oh God!
Hey guys, it's dumb. Hey guys, it's the. Hey guys, it's Boo.
You're not supposed to show me. No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and before we get started with the video, Hey guys!
Okay, guys. We have
His diary,
and
Okay guys, so we have his diary. Oh.
It's too close.
Okay guys, so we have his diary.
Guys,
Okay. I'm going to stop the video in 3, 2, 1.